Hi, welcome to Word Work, where we put words to work, word by word. In this video, you will learn some words related to one occupation. Here are the words to learn. Firefighter, helmet, safety, search, unit, scene, accident, rescues, hose, extinguisher, climbs, ladder, forest. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. Click the notification bell so that you will be notified when there's a new video posted. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Now learn to use each word in a sentence. Nate is a firefighter. Nate wears a helmet. Nate wears safety gear. Nate does search and rescue. Nate drives a service unit. Nate goes to the scene of an accident. Nate rescues a driver from her car. Nate uses a hose on his job. Nate carries an extinguisher. Nate climbs a ladder. Nate fights forest fires. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.